Hey guys, it's Janine here, and in today's video, we are going to be learning how to find the determinant of a 3x3 matrix. So here we have a matrix A, and it's 3x3, and its determinant is given by the following formula. And I know you guys are thinking, like, how are you guys going to remember this? It looks super complicated, but there's actually a trick to remember this. So let's start out by noticing a pattern. So notice that we have a constant term times a determinant, and then we have another constant term times a determinant, another constant term times a determinant, and notice that the signs alternate. So we have a plus here, a minus here, and a plus here. So the first thing I want to talk to you guys about is how we get these terms here. So those terms come from the first row. So we have A11 here, and then we have A12 here, and we have A13 from here. So then now I want to talk to you guys about where we get these determinants here. So here, looking at this term, we have A11, which means that this A is located in the first row and the first column. So you can think of it that we have to cover up the row and column corresponding to the index here, and so that's where this first determinant comes from. And then here we have the A12, so now we have the first row and the second column. So first row, second column, so we cover those up in order to get our determinant. So we have A21, A23, A31, A33, and then for this last one here we have A13, which means this is located in the first row, third column. So cover up the first row and third column, and we get our little determinant there, A21, A22, A31, and A32. So let's go ahead and apply this to an example. So here we have a matrix A, and we want to find its determinant. So let's go ahead and write the determinant of A. And so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to write the element in the first row and first column, which is this one here. And then we're going to multiply it by, so we're going to cover up the first row and the first column. So we're going to take the determinant of this matrix here, 3, 4, 5, 7. And then we're going to subtract that by the element in the first row, second column. So that's this 2 here. And then we're going to cover up the first row and the second column, and we're going to get 5, 1, 4, 7. And then the last term is this 3 here. It's in the first row and the third column. And we're going to multiply that by the determinant of the matrix, so we're going to cover up the first row and the third column. So this matrix here, we're going to take its determinant. So 5, 3, 1, 5. So let's go ahead and evaluate this. So here we have 1 times 3 times 7, which is 21, minus 4 times 5, which is 20, and we have minus 2 times 5 times 7, which is 35, and then minus 4, and then plus 3 times 25, minus 3. Simplify this down further, so we get 1 minus 62 plus 66. So simplifying this, we get 5. So the determinant of A is equal to 5. And so that is how you find the determinant of a 3x3 matrix. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any suggestions on what types of videos you guys want me to do next, just leave in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.